guys, it's traveling time with Rifa. In this video, I want to show you how I built my first tent ever. So guys, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. First thing first was to lay the tarp on the ground, and then I was getting ready to put the tent on. Mike was helping me. The spot also has a fire pit and then the log for the purpose of the bench to sit on. And here guys, this is really great. I really love this. There's the electric charger, you see? This is amazing. So we can charge our phones, and the toilet is over there. The building in the middle, they call it bathhouse here. And now let's keep going with building the tent. Okay guys, I must admit here I was helping Mike more than I was building the tent myself. Woohoo! It's getting there guys. The tent is up now. Actually, I was very handy with nails and hammer. Next job, to put the air mattress inside the tent. Oh wait, I'm sorry, actually we didn't quite finish with the tent yet. That very loud pump. Ooh, cool man. So guys, this is the last look of our tent that we've built. I am drying my microfiber towel here. It is dry. in the car, but I just wanted to have some sun to kill the bacteria. Yes, and the door is facing to the fire pit, the log to sit on, and to the car, and to the dining table.
Picnic bench.
What do you call it?
Picnic bench.
Picnic bench. You see, there's a bench and the table all together attached. This is from the side. This is like way more private than the previous one, than the first one. And there's the charger and the pole, the green pole. Let's take a look inside. I'll show you what's inside. Yay! So this is my backpack. The essential stuff like laptop, charger, and my skincare. And this is also my smaller backpack for like going. I take this smaller one. Then I put my camera and phone. And so this is the inflatable bed, right? Okay, we've blown this. And this is as the layer. I put the sleeping bag. I open it up, the sleeping bag, so it can cover the whole bag. And this is the blanket layer. We can use the layer of when it's too cold. You can use this. And the last one is the comforter. I didn't bring the case because it will be too much. And yeah, this will be our blanket because it's really cold at night here. And also our pillows. I brought it. I don't put the case on my pillow either because I like it that way. And yeah, this is like there's some space here and also there, and there's the pocket, the essential pocket, the pocket to put your essential stuff at night, like your phone, your wallet, and some other stuff. And the last one, do not forget this kitty light. This kitty light. Okay, yeah, you can attach it here. There's, oops, oh my god, there's the hook here to attach this at night. And like this, there's some light mode, like very bright, and more like dimmer. And this one is the beep beep beep. Yeah, this light, so at night. All right, so guys, this is it, our tent for next 2 days here. Yeah. All right, guys, it's I think 5 something in the afternoon. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you're having fun watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.